What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph K. So for today's video guys, let's talk about RCBC Flex Visa Credit Cards. Kasi sa RCBC guys, is merong dalawang uri ng RCBC Flex Visa na ino-offer sa clients nila. So pag-uusapan natin yung difference between them at saka yung perks and benefits kapag mayroon kayo ng credit card na yun. Kasi dalawa sila, so ano nga ba yung pagkakaiba nila at saka ano yung mas maganda na para sa inyo. Kasi nakadepende siya sa lifestyle ninyo. Kaya naman, you have to watch this video para malaman ninyo yung difference between the two Flex Visa na ino-offer ni RCBC. Pero bago yun, nais mo na kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So, as you can see guys here, RCBC offers two main Flex Visa credit cards designed for rewards customization, the RCBC Flex Visa and the RCBC Flex Gold Visa. So, para sa kaalaman nyo guys, sa RCBC Flex Gold Visa offers 2 times points on 3 categories: groceries, gas, travel, department stores, or household appliances for higher spending needs. Then, ito yung itsura guys ng RCBC Flex Visa Gold. So, kung hindi kayo aware, kung nagtataka kayo or gusto nyo malaman kung ano yung itsura ng RCBC Flex Visa Gold, so ayan po guys yung itsura niya. Then, ito naman yung isang RCBC Flex Visa na ino-offer ni RCBC, which is RCBC Flex Visa lang siya. As you can see naman, focuses on 2 points in 2 preferred categories: dining, clothing, travel, or transportation with a lower income requirement. So, ito kasi guys, yung isa is gold, tapos yung isa is Flex Visa lang talaga siya. Yun yung difference nila. Which is si gold is yun yung mas mataas na uri ng credit card na ino-offer ni RCBC sa Flex Visa category or sa Flex Visa credit cards nila. Then, as you can see naman guys, ito si RCBC Flex Visa lang, which is ito yung itsura niya guys. Kung nagtataka kayo or gusto nyo makita yung itsura, so ito po yung itsura ng RCBC Flex Visa. Ayan, nakikita nyo. Then, key features of RCBC Flex Visa. Double rewards. So, earn 2 times points in 2 preferred categories. Select from dining, clothing, travel, or transportation. Rewards redemption. Points can be redeemed for air miles, cash rebates, or shopping voucher. So kapag ginagamit nyo kasi guys yung credit card niyo sa RCBC, whether it's RCBC Flex Visa or RCBC Flex Gold Visa, nakakaipon kayo ng points doon guys. So nakikita nyo naman is 2 times points yung ma-earn niya. So, meron siyang designated amount which is iba-iba siya guys kung hindi nyo alam. So, hindi ko pwedeng ibanggit kung magkano yung spending amount. Like, kasi kadalasan guys, isang credit card is 30 pesos is equivalent to 2 points. So, sa RCBC guys is hindi siya talagang fixed. So, kailangan yung malaman kapag nag-apply na kayo. So, bawat credit card kasi guys is iba-iba yung spending requirement para maka-earn kayo ng points. So, as you can see naman, si RCBC Flex Visa is 2 times yung points niya yung ma-earn, which is in 2 preferred categories. Then rewards redemption, points can be redeemed for air miles. So kapag mahilig kayo mag-travel, pwede siya i-convert into air miles, which is pwede siyang maging ticket ng aeroplano, which whether it's Cebu Pacific or Philippine Airlines. Then cash rebates or shopping vouchers. Flexible installment. So, ito yung pinag-uusapan natin guys is yung RCBC Flex Visa pala itong ito ha. Mamaya naman yung sa gold. Flexible installment offers an installment of 0% for 3 months on qualified purchases via the RCBC application. So, as you can see dito guys is qualified purchases. Kasi hindi po lahat ng purchases is qualified. So, meron siyang parang certain amount, meron siyang categories na pwede siyang i-convert into 3 months which is 0% yung interest rate niya. Kahit paano, hindi ganun kabigat sa bulsa bayaran kasi naka-installment siya. And then, 0% naman yung add on your monthly interest niya. So, walang idadagdag. Bali, kung magkano lang yon, i-divide by 3, so na yung babayaran mo. Ganun siya. Travel insurance. Includes free travel insurance for international trips. So, itong si RCBC Flex Visa, pwede siyang may travel insurance guys, which is, ano siya, international trips or kapag nag-travel kayo outside the Philippines. Then Spend Analyzer provides a monthly summary of purchases to help with budgeting. So, maganda siya guys kasi Kahit paano may feature siya na automatic nalaman yung budget ninyo. Parang nakalagay is budgeting or spend analyzer. So, sa RCBC application yan. So, makikita ninyo kung magkano na yung site ninyo, magkano na yung ganito. So, namo-monitor ninyo. Minimum income is 250,000 per annum. So, kahit paano reachable naman siya guys, no? Para sa mga minimum wage earners. So, kahit paano, nakalagay kasi is 250,000 so per annum. So, gross income yan. Magkaiba kasi yung gross sa net. So, gross income is kahit magkano yon, hindi pa kasama dun yung nabawasan yung renta, nagbawas sa ano, ganito. Basta kumikita lang kayo ng 250,000 pesos. Ito naman si RCBC Flex Visa Gold, guys, no? Alternative option. If your budget is higher, the RCBC Flex Gold Visa offers high rewards on necessities like grocery, gas, and department stores, requiring a higher income of 500,000 per year and a 3,000 annual fee. So, yun. Kapag may budget naman kayo, kasi yung required income niya per year is 500,000 mahigit. Compared to RCBC Flex Visa lang is 250,000 lang. So, halos kalahati yung lamang. So, kapag nasa ano lang kayo, kapag hindi kayo masyado mataas yung income, sorry for the word, so much better to RCBC Flex Visa kayo mag-apply. So, kapag yung income nyo naman per year is 500,000 patataas, so qualified kayo for RCBC Flex Visa Gold. Then yung benefits nyo guys is NAFFL promo. So, ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin ng NAFFL promo? It means no annual fee for life. So, pwede siyang maging converted into no annual fee for life. Often eligible for no annual fee for life if applied online and within specific time frames. So, kapag in-apply nyo siya online, tapos na-meet ninyo yung spending requirements, maaaring ma-waive yung annual fee ng RCBC Flex Visa Gold ninyo. Perks is access to various RCBC credit card promos. So, paiba-iba kasi yung promo guys, no? So, kailangan kayo maging aware or kapag may credit card kayo na RCBC, dapat nakatuto kayo sa page nila, sa RCBC cards, kasi doon nila pinopost yung mga promos nila. So, kapag nakita mo, nandun yung credit card mo, then you can avail that promo. Hindi ko rin siya pwedeng ibanggit diretso kasi paiba-iba po guys eh. Bale, magpo-promo si RCBC, then matatapos yon para mag-e-end, then panibago na naman. Kaya yung tip ko na lang guys is follow RCBC official Facebook pages para at least ma-heads up kayo or maging aware kayo sa mga ino-offer nilang promos. Then ito guys, applying RCBC credit card requires income, no? So, kailangan ng proof of identification, of course, kapag nag-apply kayo. Tapos, dapat alam ninyo na credit card yan. So, kapag nag-enjoy kayo kakaswipe dyan, utang po yan guys, no? So, dapat maging aware kayo. Be mindful when it comes to your spending. Kasi delikado kapag nagkalubog-lubog kayo sa utang. Kapag na-mismanage ninyo yung credit card, mahihirapan na kayo umahon kasi mataas yung penalties. So, dapat aware kayo doon na spend below your means. Kung magkano yung pera ninyo, yun lang yung isa-swipe or i-charge ninyo sa credit card ninyo sa RCBC. Para hindi kayo magka-problema in the future. Kasi utang yan, so lalaki at lalaki yan kasi may mga penalties, late payment fees, interest charges kapag hindi nyo nabayaran ng maayos yung utang ninyo sa credit card. Then again guys, this is to share awareness, no? Kasi we are talking about credit cards. Credit card contains confidential details. Yung card number, yung expiry date, yung CVV, lahat ng details na nakikita nyo sa credit card niyo sa RCBC is strictly highly confidential. So those credentials, those card numbers, expiry date, those details written on your RCBC credit card are strictly high confidential, no? So you must keep it to yourself. It should be keep it in private. Do not ever take any picture of it, then ipopost mo siya sa social media. Wag na wag yung gagawin yon kasi delikado yon. Ginagawa ko guys to share awareness para maiwasan yung mga unauthorized transactions sa credit cards ninyo. So, yun lamang guys. Kapag may tumatawag sa inyo na nanghihingi ng card details, never give it to them. Do not ever share your confidential details sa RCBC credit card ninyo kasi strictly confidential nga yan tulad ng sinasabi ko. So, it must be keep it to yourself. So, if there's someone calling you asking for that details, do not entertain that call. Just end the call right away. Kasi delikado yan. So yun lamang guys. So I think that's all for now. So sana may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!